In this video, we'll quickly understand what a negative exponent really means and how to work with them without getting confused. For example, expressions like this one can look scary at first. By the end of the video, this will feel routine. We'll learn how to read and simplify expressions like this step by step. Let's start with the core idea. When you see a to the power of minus n, it means 1 divided by a to the power of n. In words, a negative exponent means take the reciprocal of a positive power. First example, 2 to the power of minus 2. By definition, that is 1 divided by 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, so we get 1 divided by 4. That is 1/4. Next, 5 to the power of minus 1. That means 1 divided by 5 to the power of 1. 5 to the power of 1 is just 5, so the value is 1 divided by 5, or 1/5. Third example, 10 to the power of minus 3. This is 1 divided by 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, so we get 1 divided by 1000, which is 1/1000th. Now let's combine negative exponents with the usual exponent rules. Look at 3 to the power of minus 1 times 3 to the power of 4. The base is the same, so we add the exponents. That gives us 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4, which is 3 to the power of 3. Next, 2 to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Same base again, but now we subtract the exponents. We take minus 2 minus 3, so the result is 2 to the power of minus 5. We can rewrite 2 to the power of minus 5 using the definition. That becomes 1 divided by 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32, so the value is 1 divided by 32. Let's summarize the key ideas about negative exponents. First, a to the power of minus n means 1 divided by a to the power of n. In other words, a negative exponent creates the reciprocal of a positive power. Second, a negative exponent moves a factor to the denominator of a fraction. If a factor is already in the denominator, a negative exponent can move it back up. Third, the usual exponent rules still work with negative exponents. You still add exponents when you multiply with the same base and subtract exponents when you divide with the same base. Now it's your turn. Simplify this expression. 5 to the power of minus 1 times 5 to the power of 3, all divided by 5 to the power of minus 2. Write your final answer in the comments and check what others got as well.